Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using my almond short soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and as always, the link will be down below. So all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out, just making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. So for this video, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel for the adhesion method, and this is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop. This is my go-to nail product. It just makes the whole process of applying nails so much easier and so much faster. If you never use a solid nail tip glue, it's definitely like a tacky or like a putty texture, and if you've never tried it, I definitely recommend giving it a try because it is a game changer. So I'm just taking a pea-sized amount, applying that in each full nail cover and pressing it on. It's really that simple. Cure time is literally seconds. It probably takes about 45 seconds to be exact to cure. But I typically leave my nails in there for a good minute just to be on the safe side. So after you finish applying, you can go in and file your nails. This is an 80/80 grit file. I purchased these off of Amazon, and the link is in my Amazon storefront. Full nail covers, soft gel full nail covers, they do all the shaping for you. That's why I love them. If you have problems shaping like I do, I definitely recommend giving them a try. So this is really easy and really quick. You're really just perfecting that shape at this point because it's already pre-done for you. So here's what they're looking like. At this point, if you fully prepped your nails, you could go in and wash your hands. I'm using a Beetles gel polish. This gel polish is a part of their pink collection, and this is also available for purchase on Amazon. This will also be in my storefront, and I'll list the link to it. I love Beetles polishes because they're the perfect size. There's not too many times where I need a full bottle of gel polish unless it's like my go-to. And for colors and stuff like this, the bottles are small enough so you can have a lot of different shades and it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I'm just gonna go in, and I believe I did 2 coats of this Beetles polish. So now I'm going in with a no wipe top coat. This is a sample that I got from a company. So unfortunately I can't recommend one, but I'm just going in and using a no wipe top coat. When doing chrome nails, you do want to make sure that you're using a no wipe top coat and not a regular gel top coat. So I'm using this white chrome powder. I purchased this off of Amazon a while ago. I'll try and leave the link to it. I'm not sure if it's still available, but any white chrome powder will do. And as I said, you just want to make sure you're using a no wipe top coat, but I just went in with this little eyeshadow brush that came with it and just literally smeared that on my nails. So after you finish applying your chrome, this is optional. I always just go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe down around my cuticles and my nails. And then I apply my final layer of top coat. You could apply your final layer of top coat and then just fully wipe down your nails. It's probably easier, but I just prefer to do it this way. So I added a stone here. I added like this cute purple stone. I purchased these off of Shein, and it's in my recent nail haul video. So if you haven't seen that, then definitely check out my prior video. But I went in with my solid nail tip glue gel to apply this, and that's why I love this product, because it's super versatile. If you like to apply chunky charms or anything like this, it's perfect for that, and it stays on and it lasts. So I just use that to apply this product. Last and final step is cuticle oil. This is a cuticle oil that was available for purchase in my Etsy shop, but unfortunately it is sold out. Here's the final nail look. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye.